Fresno Farm is a facility we use for development of our products and solutions so we can go to market. Upon registration, we want to have as many of the answers as we can for the growers. We have 3 greenhouses here we can use for weed science, entomology, and nematology. That allows us to do various testing with our innovation and tools. There's only a handful of companies that actually have research stations, and Bayer just reinvests every single dollar we can. 150 trials here, and probably over 300 trials with our tech service staff throughout the state of California. By testing and trying out the products here, it allows us to really understand the nuances the growers face, whether it's a certain type of application equipment they have, or they want to put it through a drip irrigation system. We can break that down and really understand the nuances those growers are faced with each day. And that's the gap we fulfill, is understanding how growers apply products and how our solutions really fit into the growers' hands.